Doesn't that kind of look like a couple of dragons?
Come on, baby. Keep smoking. Oh yeah, I got a number over here. Look at that.
The last week, sitting in the car. I'm gonna pull this out of the way. Show you the back. Hey guys, Andy here. I've thought about showing you this converter for quite a while now, and I figure since I've got poopingandroid.com, I'm going to go ahead and put it on there because somebody asked me to put Never 10 on. So when I uploaded Never 10, I went ahead and uploaded this converter file. And I use this thing all the time. I mean, almost anything you want to convert from one to another, this thing is great for. I mean, right now it's on, what is it on? Energy? Yes. Right now it's on energy. So like, you know, you can take 1 BTU and see how many calories it takes to create a BTU. So it's 251.9958 calories for 1 BTU. I mean, this thing is unreal. I mean, temperature, you can go Celsius to Fahrenheit, Fahrenheit to Celsius, Kelvin to, you know, either one. Rankine, I don't know what that is, never heard of it. This thing's got volume, you know, cubic inches, gallons, liters. You can convert from one to the other either way. You know, here's what you're starting with, and this, you know, pick what you want to convert it into. Of course, 40 cubic yards is 40 cubic yards. 40 cubic yards is, you know, 129,263.4 cups. This thing just, anything. And it's even got a custom one where you can put in your own time. Like here, you know, one fortnight is 14 days, which I didn't know that. I didn't know what a fortnight was. I mean, it's even got leap year in there, millennium, milliseconds. I mean, you can see how many milliseconds in a millennium. That's just crazy. How many nanoseconds in a millennium? I mean, a nanosecond is milli, micro, nano. It's a millionth of a second, right? No. Yeah, I don't know. Anyway, well, we'll see. How many milliseconds in a second? Yeah, or nanosecond. That's, I'm sorry, nano. So we'll go the other way. Take 1 second and go to nanoseconds. So it's a, no, it's a micro nano. So it's a billionth of a second. Yeah, a milli, micro, nano. Microsecond is a million. I mean, power, BTUs per minute, horsepower, kilowatts, megawatts, pound-feet per minute. I mean, it's got torque, force, area, you know, square centimeters into square inches. This has got your miles. I'm sure acres are probably in here. Yes, acre, yards. So you can see how many square centimeters in an acre. A hectare, I don't know. A hectare is 0.4046863 acres. This thing is really, really useful. I use this thing all the time. I love this program. I mean, of course, I don't use all the options, but anything you want to convert, especially, you know, Fahrenheit to Celsius, is a big one. And yeah, you know, time, pressure, power, mass. That's just, for somebody that is kind of a geek like me that does all this stuff and, converting and working with electronics and stuff like that, this is a very, very useful tool. So just thought I'd tell you guys about it. I put it on poopingandroid.com. It's on there if you want it. It's a standalone free executable file. It's just convert.exe. And it's standalone. You just start it up, put in what you want to start with, and it'll tell you what, you convert it. You pick what you want it to convert into, and it'll tell you the answer for, what is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 different things. Everything from speed to distance to weights and measures to, that's just, I don't know, but I use it all the time. I don't use all the features. Like I said, it even has a custom feature where you could put in your own formula that works for you, whatever you want to create your own measure. Who knows? But yeah, I use it all the time. So if you want Convert.exe, it's on poopingandroid.com. I put it on there, put the link. Just go there, right click on the link, save it to your computer. I don't think this would work on a phone. Yeah, I really don't think this would work on a phone, but if you want it for your computer, it's a very, very small file. Not very big at all. Actually, let me look. Properties. Yeah, it's 568 kilobytes. So it's a very, very small file. And I've used it probably hundreds of times, and I've never had a problem with it, never had it crash or anything like that. You can see there I've had it September 11th of 2014. And yeah, that's, a year and a half I've been using it. And I use it all the time. So if you want it, it's there for download. Just go to poopingandroid.com and you'll see the link on the front page. There's not much there on the front page. I'm still working on it, still trying to develop it and see what I want to put on there. So just if anybody wants this file, go ahead and get it. I noticed this yesterday. Looks like somebody impaled somebody and put him on a stick in a tree out there, but he's made out of leaves. Looks kind of like a person to me.